not sure which slide to use when building a presentation? With GoodPello, you can find the right template in 3 simple ways. First, browse by category using the top menu. Second, search with keywords from the main search bar. And third, refine your results using filters. The first way is to use the top menu. If you want templates by business type or industry, begin with templates. For structured documents like proposals and strategy decks, choose strategy templates. For more creative visuals, explore special templates instead. And if you need a single slide, check content-based slides or design-based slides. The second way is keyword search. Type company intro, product intro, or business, and relevant templates appear instantly. For more specific results, try advanced search. For example, if you need a Manpower slide under company intro, go to content-based slides, company introduction, Manpower. To search by visual style, try design-based slides, diagram, tree structure. Then refine further using ratio and keywords. The third way is using filters on the product list pages. Just check what you need, and your results organize instantly. For example, if you're looking for a segmented column chart, go to design-based slides, graph, column, segmented column, set color to blue, ratio to 16:9, and you'll get exactly what you need in seconds. Finding the right slide in GoodPello is this simple. Menu, search bar, and filters. Just 3 ways, and anyone can locate the slide they need in seconds. So now, build your presentation faster and smarter with GoodPello.